Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I want to do a review of different protective masks, and I'll also share some notes on how to wear a face mask more comfortable. Now let's get started. This suggestion will not be for professional use, but just for everyone's daily protection. There are many different ways to classify these masks. I divide them into two kinds based on how comfortable if you wear it. The first is an N95 or P2 respirator. They can help to filter out the very fine particle in the air. However, it can make you difficult to breathe. I have wear one before when I go out, and I was like this. Yeah, I keep on adjusting it because I wanted to pull it out to let myself breathe in some air. So it's not comfortable if you need to wear it for a long time. And the second one is the surgical mask. They are not as efficient as the N95. However, I think they can still protect you from the big drops from the outside. If someone is coughing or sniffing beside you, the surface will still be able to stop the big particles and the drops. And another good thing is if you have a face mask on, you won't use your hand to touch your face, and I think that's a big point of why you need to wear a face mask. Anyway, so it is more comfortable if you need to wear it for a longer time. Like you have to stay outside for more than 5 hours. I think it's better to wear these kind of mask. And finally comes to the note. So maybe you haven't worn a face mask before, but if you try one, if you wear it for I think more than 3 hours, you will feel your ears are gonna be really hurting, because the band of the mask will be here all the time, so you will feel extremely painful. So how to resolve this? You can get some inspiration from this video. I find it's really funny. Easiest ways to get something like this, this hook. You can find it on eBay, or maybe you can make one by yourself. So using this one, so you can put it at the back, and then tie the mask band on it. The mask band on it, and in that way your ears will be away from the pin. So yeah, that's some suggestions I've got from wearing a face mask. If you find this video helpful, or if you like my video, if you want to get more information about face masks, please make a comment below. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thanks very much for watching.